without your jokes and laughter, mate. Your humor lights up the room, a friend who takes our blues away. But now it's time, a new chapter to see. Though miles apart, you'll always be. Oh, Alberto, young at heart, we cherish you. Every moment spent, every laugh we knew. Alberto, this isn't goodbye, just a new view. We'll meet again under Filipino sky so blue. In karaoke nights your voice would soar, money wise but heart rich to the core. Team CBHE will miss your wisdom, strong and true. Engineer Alberto, thanks for all you do. Though you're leaving the job and crew, your dreams unfold with family in view. Oh, Alberto, young at heart, we cherish you. Every moment spent, every laugh we knew. Alberto, this isn't goodbye, just a new view. We'll meet again under Filipino sky so blue. We gather memories like stars in the night, knowing in our hearts you'll be alright. I'll see you soon as you take flight to a life where family feels so right. Oh, Alberto, young at heart, we cherish you. Every moment spent, every laugh we knew. Alberto, this isn't goodbye, just a new view. We'll meet again under Filipino sky so blue.
Hey, Abet! What's up? Bakit ka kasi nag-resign? Pinahirapan mo pa akong mag-speech. Anyway, alam kong mahirap para sa iyo ang desisyong ito, pero at the end of the day, what matters most is your family. So, good luck and enjoy your family back in the Philippines.
Good luck, Tito.
Good luck!
Kuya Abet. Well, it's hard to see you go, and I'll definitely miss you, but it's part of life. I hope to see you soon in the Philippines. I'll be retiring too, and enjoy your retirement, Kuya Abet.
Hello vlog! Welcome to my guys! Hello Abet! Romeo family is here. Nabalitaan namin na nag-resign ka na, tinotoo mo na yung decision mo. Medyo malungkot pero kailangan namin mag-move on. Alam kong mabigat na decision yan kasi alam mo naman, pinagdaanan ko yan dati nung nag-resign tayo sa showbiz. Pero kidding aside, alam namin na importante ang hanap buhay, pero mas masarap maghanap buhay, mas masarap mabuhay pag kasama ang pamilya. So, wish namin sa Tala family is more blessing and good health. Gusto naming malaman nyo na masaya na nakilala namin kayo at naging part kami ng buhay nyo. So, lastly, ingat Kuya Abet and good luck!
Buenas noches, mi amigo. Es muy guapito, pero buyag. Pads, Abet, ang una kong masabi sa'yo ay maraming salamat, Pads, sa lahat ng natulong mo sa akin. Pero wala akong maalala kung meron. Hindi, joke, Pads. Maraming salamat, Pads. At ang pangalawa ay saludo ako doon sa desisyon mo, dahil napakabigat para sa iyo ang talagang desisyon na ipagpalit mo ang nandito ka na sa US sa pamilya mo. Talagang saludo ako doon. Talagang mahal na mahal mo ang mga anak mo at ang asawa mo. At yun lang, sana pagtibayin nyo yan, bigyan nyo ng halaga yan, kasi sa totoo maraming taong nangangarap na makapunta dito sa kahit sa anong paraan, pero sa iyo hindi malaking, parang hindi malaking bagay, kasi mas binigyan mo ng halaga yung pamilya mo. At saludo ako dyan, pare. Yun lang, ingat at salamat at nagkasama tayo ng matagal. Ano yan? Yun lang. Sige, pare. Ayos. Good luck and enjoy.
Thank you for everything.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi po, Tito, Kuya.
Abe, God bless.
Kita Kit sa Pinas. Take care. We'll miss you po. Bye!
Uwi ka na pala. Kulang na ang itaktak mo dance screw. Naalala lang namin na ikaw yung tumulong sa amin papuntang cricket at rental. Nabanggit mo doon na hindi ka magtatagal dito. Tapos finally, after 3 long years, uwi ka na talaga para makapiling ang pamilya mo. This is a very good decision on your part. In Ecclesiastes 3:11 it says, He has made everything beautiful in His time. This is God's time for you to go home with your family. Enjoy your retirement, pre. God bless and good luck.
Hola, mi amigo Alberto, ¿cómo estás? Gusto ko lang sabihin na natutuwa ako sa decision mo to finally join your family in the Philippines. I think it's for the best. Alam ko naman pinag-isipan mo mabuti yan. So, ingat sa pagbiyahe. And I wish you success and happiness to all your plans with your family. Hasta la vista, mi amigo.
Pre, good luck sa panibagong chapter ng buhay. Laya ka na. Salamat sa mga time and happiness dito sa Bali. Mamimiss ka namin talaga. Lalo na yung energy mo kapag kami mga gatherings tayo. Bawi ka lang sa mga nawalang oras mo sa pamilya. Enjoy. Ingat ka palagi. Keep in touch.
Kuya Abet, unang-una, maraming salamat sa lahat sa pagkakaibigan natin, sa samahan dito. Alam mo naman na ikaw lang nagpapasaya sa amin dito kapag namimiss namin yung Pilipinas. Ang turing ko na rin sa'yo dito, alam mo naman na parang tatay na rin kita. Kaya nakakalungkot lang din talaga na uuwi ka na. Pero sigurado din naman na lagi tayong magtatawagan, pero syempre iba pa rin yung laging nandito ka, na kasama ka namin. Pero masaya na din talaga kami kasi makakasama mo na sila Ate Sat. Basta palagi ka tong mag-iingat, tsaka ingatan mo yung sarili mo tsaka yung health mo. Tapos pag uwi namin sa Pilipinas, kikitain ka namin agad doon. Ayun, yun lang. Salamat. Yan, palagi ka mag-iingat.
Hello, Kuya Abet. Unang-una, I just want to say thank you for the friendship. Thank you for the help and care, lalo na sa mga bata. And we wish you good luck. We wish you success sa mga plano mo sa buhay. At huwag kang mag-alala, di ka namin makakalimutan. Lagi mong tandaan, ang laging wala sa inuman, siya ang laging pulutan. Mabuhay ka, Kuya Bet.
Kuya Bet, nalulungkot akong maiwan mong mag-isa dito. Pero masaya ako para sa'yo kasi makakasama mo na yung buong family mo. Di bale, magkikita-kita pa rin naman na pag nakauwi ng Pinas o kaya pag nakabalik kayo dito. Salamat sa magandang samahan. Ikaw ang nagsilbing pamilya ko dito. Ikaw ang nagsilbing kuya ko dito. Ipag-pray ko na bigyan ka lagi ni Lord ng lakas, good health, para malibot mo pa yung mga gusto mong mapasyalan kasama yung family mo. Enjoy ang retirement at maraming salamat.
Abet, unang-una, binabati kita. It's a history-defining moment sa iyo at sa ating grupo. Ikaw ang kauna-unahang nagkalakas ng loob na umuwi at talikuran ng ating pinapangarap na American Dream. At hindi masama yun. It's actually a good thing because at the end of the day, kailangan nating magdesisyon, kailangan nating mamili. And in your case, choosing your family is just the best. Wala namang tatalo doon. Kaya congratulations at huwag mong pagsisihan ang iyong desisyon. Good luck sa pag-uwi mo sa Pilipinas. Huwag mo kaming kalimutan. All the best.
Hello, Abet. Medyo malungkot na ang Friday Club, nabawasan. Pero alam ko mas masaya ka dahil kasama mo na long term ang family mo. So enjoy na lang. Keep in touch with us and always remember the good times dito sa ating experience dito sa Cal Energy and Secnan. Thank you.
Kay tamis ng ating samahan sa lungkot at kaligayahan, tunay na kaibigan kasamang maasahan. Salamat at tayo'y may pinagsamahan. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'm running. Oh yes, I will see you again. Friday nights won't be the same without your jokes and laughter, mate. Your humor lights up the room, a friend who takes our blues away. But now it's time, a new chapter to see. Though miles apart, you'll always be. Oh, Alberto, young at heart, we cherish you. Every moment spent, every laugh we knew. Alberto, this isn't goodbye, just a new view. We'll meet again under Pilipinas skies so blue. In karaoke nights, your voice would soar. Money-wise, but heart-rich to the core. Team CBHE will miss your wisdom, strong and true. Engineer Alberto, thanks for all you do. Though you're leaving the job and crew, your dreams unfold with family in view. Oh, Alberto, young at heart, we cherish you. Every moment spent, every laugh we knew. Alberto, this isn't goodbye, just a new view. We'll meet again under Pilipinas skies so blue. We gather memories like stars in the night, knowing in our hearts you'll be alright. I'll see you soon as you take flight to a life where family feels so right.